Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so excited to have you here with me today. Let's jump right into it because we've got a fantastic word to explore. Today's word is bean, and it's an A2 level noun. A bean is a seed or a vegetable, often used as food, and it's a word you've probably heard in all sorts of contexts. Let's dive deeper to understand it better. A bean can refer to the seeds of plants like green beans, kidney beans, or black beans. It's also the name of the entire pod in some cases, like when you're eating fresh green beans. You might find beans in soups, salads, or even as a key ingredient in dishes like chili. For example, you might say, "I made a delicious chili with black beans last night." Now, let's talk about some synonyms for bean. Words like seed, pulse, and legume are all related. For instance, lentils and chickpeas are types of legumes commonly used in cooking. Or, this soup is full of different kinds of pulses like lentils and beans. On the flip side, an antonym for bean might be something unrelated to seeds or vegetables like meat. For example, instead of beans, we added chicken to the stew. Or, vegetarians often replace meat with beans in their meals. Let's think about how we use the word bean in everyday life. You might hear someone say, "He doesn't know a bean about gardening," meaning he doesn't know anything at all. Or, "She spilled the beans about the surprise party," meaning she revealed the secret. These common expressions show how versatile the word is. Here are a few more examples in sentences to help you get comfortable using bean. I planted some beans in the garden, and they've already started to sprout. Do you prefer fresh green beans or canned ones? For breakfast, I had baked beans on toast, a classic dish in some parts of the world. So, to summarize, today we learned that a bean is a seed or vegetable, often used in cooking. We explored its synonyms like seed, pulse, and legume, as well as its antonym meat in certain contexts. We also saw how it's used in common phrases and sentences. Thanks so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Don't forget to create your own sentence using bean and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.